Vastra, I have a question for you. A very serious question. Are you listening? Okay. I need you to answer me because I'm so very, very confused. Um, why exactly do you find it appropriate to poop in your food dish? Hmm? Why? Why do you think that's an appropriate thing to do? I mean, I see that you have eaten a lot, but that is not the way that we tell me that you're done eating. Because what if you want to go back? What if you weren't done eating? What if you want to go back and finish those last few greens there, and now you can't because you've got poop in your food dish? Can you explain yourself? I'm talking to you. Can you explain why you have poop in your food dish? Do you like to eat poopy lettuce? Is why you like to eat poopy lettuce? No? Explain yourself. Explain yourself. Why? You are not going to explain yourself? You ought to be ashamed. You ought to just be ashamed of yourself. This is 4 days in a row that you have pooped in your food dish. That cannot be pleasant to come back to if you wanted to. Shame on you, Vastra. Shame on you.